today's video is going to be a super quick relaxed hair update video, and I'm going to be showing you guys what my hair looked like before I relaxed it and what it looks like now, and I'm basically just going to give you guys an update. Before I get to this video, I wanted to just explain why I don't have my natural hair out right now, and that's because I'm actually filming this relaxed hair update quite late, because the video that I filmed the day after I relaxed my hair, I wasn't able to use the footage because I missed out quite a few things, and I wasn't too happy with the quality of the video overall, so I wanted to film it again. So that's the reason why my hair's in a wig, because it's already back in its protective style and I don't have it out anymore. But hopefully in my next relaxed update I will have my natural hair out and I'll be able to show you guys my real hair and stuff, like live in action. But of course I will insert pictures so you guys can see everything that I'm talking about. But yeah, now that I've cleared that up, I'm gonna just get straight into this video. So my relaxer before last was about 3.5 months ago. So I waited about 3.5 months to relax my hair, just because I feel like when my hair gets past the 4.5 month mark, I tend to get quite a few knots, like more than usual, and that is so painful for me. So I try and avoid it. I'm trying to avoid it now, and it also helps to prevent breakage as well. So that's why I'm doing it every 3.5–4 months. So that's basically that. But here's a picture of what my hair looked like 3.5 months ago when I relaxed my hair before, and this is what it looked like. I wasn't happy with it because, as you guys can see, there's a really big thin area in my hair, and that was basically caused by a hairband that I was using. Now the hairband that I was using was it had like a Mickey Mouse charm on it, and I didn't realise that that was going to break my hair, which I should have known, but I just didn't think anything of it. So what was happening was my hair was getting caught around the Mickey Mouse charm, and it was basically just breaking off that section of my hair, which is why it was so thin. So me and my sister decided to trim it, and we basically cut it to this length, as you guys can see here. And I wasn't too unhappy with it, but I was happy that I cut it just because it was going to give me a fresh start to try and grow out that thin area. So now fast forward to 3.5 months later, which is now, I've relaxed my hair, and this is basically what it looks like. So as you can see, it's grown quite a bit and the thin area has thickened out a lot. When I brush my hair out and it's not like all together, you can still see the thin area, but it definitely has improved, and I am still going to keep working on it until it's completely back to its thickness that it was before, hopefully even thicker maybe, and that is basically what I'm doing. So I'm really happy with the growth, as you guys can see. I have basically braided the back area of my hair just because I'm really trying to grow out that thin area, and I'll show you guys a picture of the thin area that I'm talking about. You can't really see it because the rest of my hair is thick and it sort of covers it, but when I separate that part of my hair, you guys can see that it is quite thin, and that is the reason why I've braided it, to try and give it a boost in growing, because I actually just wear my hair like in a bun under my wig, so that way I can like co-wash and I can moisturize and seal and do all of that kind of stuff more easily, so that I don't have to keep taking out braids and stuff. But yeah, that is basically my update. So here's where I am on the length check shirt. I do really want to get to waist length really badly. That is like one of my dreams, is to get to waist length. So I will be doing quite a few relaxer updates until I probably get there, or even when I surpass there. I know it's going to take a lot of work, but I'm dedicated now, and now that you guys actually have been requesting some relaxed hair updates and relaxed hair videos, I feel more accountable, and I've definitely been looking after my hair a lot better than I have been the past like year or so, I'd say. So I'm really happy about that. So another thing I wanted to just let you guys know before I go is the relaxer that I use, because I know a few of you might want to know what relaxer I use, and I use a relaxer called Designer Touch, and I only use this relaxer because it has no lye in it. And in the past I've been able to use lye relaxers, but now my hair is growing quite long and it's quite thick. When I do use lye ones, it doesn't give me enough time for my hair to process, because it starts burning and I have to wash it out, and it just ends up being like texlax, or some of it will be straight, some of it will be curly, and so it just doesn't work for me anymore. So this relaxer is really, really nice. It's very, very affordable. I buy a pack of 2 because I need about 1.5 tubs of relaxer to do my hair, and it's about $8.99, so very, very affordable. And obviously I'm only paying that every 4 months, because I only relax my hair around every 4 months. So that is basically what it is, and I'll put a picture if I haven't already, so you guys know what I'm talking about. But if you are trying to buy this relaxer, do not buy the ready mix one, because that one does have lye in it. It's only the one that you mix yourself that doesn't have lye. So if you buy the other one, it will be like the same with the burning and stuff, but this one doesn't burn. It's really, really nice and super affordable as well. But yeah, that is the end of my relaxer update video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you haven't already, and if you've got any comments or anything, just please leave them down below and I'll definitely get back to you guys. So thank you so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!